He happens to be a snake. He's a friendly snake. Slimy, come on out, meet the crowd. Here he is. Everybody say, hi, Slimy! Now later on, Slimy's going to come out and do something very special, but that's later on. So I want you to put your hands up high and wave and say, see you later, Slimy. Slimy, you go back in your basket. You practice your magic if you need to, because I am going to show you folks something that goes back, way back, about 100 years ago. You see, legend has it that there was a cowboy, his name was Alamo, and he lived right here on the farm. And he did something that pleased everyone. And I'm going to try to recreate that for you right now on this stage. It's called the bottle and the glass. Now, in order to do the bottle and the glass, you need, obviously, a glass and a bottle. Now, here's what's going to happen. And you have to pay attention because it happens fast. You see, the bottle on this side of the table will actually jump to this side. And at the same time, the glass will jump to this side. Are we ready? Open your eyes up wide like this. Perfect. Let's cover the glass. Let's cover the bottle. I clap my hands just like that, slap my fingers, and believe it or not, did you see the magic? Of course not. It happens fast. But right now, I guarantee you, we now have a glass on this side and a bottle on this side. And to prove it to all, I will take a peek. Let me look. Yes, the bottle's over here and the glass is over here. Thank you very much. Ta-da! And now, as Alamo always said, the hardest part of the whole trick is actually making the bottle and the glass return to their original spots on the table. I do that, I clap my hands, I slap my fingers, and look, the glass is back over here and the bottle's back over here. Thank you. Now, for those of you who are not paying attention, don't worry about it, you didn't miss a thing. For those of you who are paying attention, I bet you wish you went to a different show. But here we go. Let's do the bottle and the glass. Bottle on this side, glass on this side, but not for long. You see, over here now we have two bottles. You're not supposed to see that. Well, you know what? I'll put this bottle over here. That bottle is just in case this one goes wrong. You see, now we have a glass. See, bottle on this side, glass on this side. Now we have a glass on that side, bottle on this side. Of course. Because we have another bottle. Don't tell anybody about that bottle. That bottle goes over here. See, this way the table matches. You see, glass on this side, bottle on this side. That fast. There's the glass, there's the bottle. I cannot explain that bottle. You see, I do this. I cover the glass, I cover the bottle. I clap my hands, I know what you're thinking. The bottle and the glass switch places. Not really. You see, the glass is still over here, the bottle's over here. What you have to do is you can remove this bottle, and then you have a glass on this side, the bottle on that side. With another bottle. Now this one, boys and girls, is called the one tuber. You see, some people think you need two tubes. Oh, sometimes you just need one. You see, you actually cover the glass becomes the bottle, and the bottle becomes the glass. Don't tell anybody about that extra bottle. I'll put that over here. This one's called the hop. You see, the glass is over here, the bottle's over here, but the hop, you see, it hops from here to there. Perfect. You know there's another bottle. I can't explain it. You see, boys and girls, glass over here, bottles over here. Pay attention. Bottles over here, glass is over here. Peppers! Maybe if I just remove this bottle, and now I have a glass on that side, bottle on that side, but not for long because there's the glass, there's the bottle. With another bottle. And I guess it looks like happy hour at the farm. We may need another bottle. Anyway, that's the bottle and the glass, boys and girls. Here's what I'm going to do. I'm going to show you a trick. I call it the blue scarf surprise. Now, in order to do a blue scarf surprise, you need a blue scarf. Now, pay attention, because I'm actually going to teach you this trick. So when you go home today, you could do it and fool mom and dad, grandma, grandpa. Okay? So now the blue scarf surprise, I know I have the blue scarf right here in this pocket. The blue scarf. And I wave it up and down, and I'm going to put it right in the fist of my hand. Now, once it goes in the fist of my hand, you're no longer going to see it. You see, because it will be inside the fist. And now I get a magic wand, and I wave the magic wand, and the blue scarf is actually going to jump to this pocket. Are we ready? 1, 2, 3, say White Post Farms. Oh! And there it goes. Look at that. The blue scarf is now in my pocket. Ta-da! Ta-da! What? Thank you. Open my hand. My hand is open. Oh, this one here. That's an egg. Do perfect time for eggs. These are my eggs. But you know what? You want to learn the secret? Here's the one thing you never do. This is the one thing you never do. You never turn the egg around. You see, if you turn the egg around, they're going to see that, the blue spot. It's really not a blue spot. It's right here, is the scarf. You see, kids, what you do is you go to the craft store and you buy yourself a fake egg for about $100. Use your coupon. And then you place it in your pocket. Nobody knows. Then you go to the fabric store and you buy 2 matching pieces of fabric. Don't buy one blue and one red. It won't work, I promise. And then you pick your pockets. I pick this one here, and I choose this one. Now you tell your audience you're going to do the blue scarf surprise. This gives you an opportunity to reach into your pockets like you're looking for a blue scarf. You know exactly where it is. It's right here. But it gives you the real reason to grab the what in your pocket? The egg, right. And then you hide it, you don't show anybody, and you pull this out, and you wave it just like this. And the reason why you wave it is everybody looks at the scarf, they don't look at your hand. You see, it's not normal to hold your hand like this, okay? So you like this, and you like this, and you like this, and you put it right inside your hand. But you're really putting it where? Inside where? The egg. Shh, don't tell anybody that. And then once it goes inside the egg, you don't longer see it anymore, just like that, you now get a magic wand, or a pencil or anything, and just like that, you wave it. And you tell them it's going to jump from here to there. And it does. Ta-da! And you wave it up and down, everybody's amazed. And they're going to ask you to open your hand. And you're going to open your hand, they're going to laugh. And then you show them, no, it's an egg. But what's the one thing you never do? You never turn it around, because if you turn it around, what are they going to see? The blue spot. If they see the blue spot, look at them right in the eye and say, no you didn't, and walk out the room. But if they do see the blue spot, the best thing to do is to actually try to peel it off the egg. You see it? And you put it on your paddle. And then you get yourself a glass. And you take the egg and you crack it. That's the surprise. Thank you, kids. Oh my gosh.
I know you're going to have a blast at White House Farm when you have your next party here with us. There is so much to see and do. You can even share your experience on Instagram and Facebook afterwards. And I'm not monkeying around.
Whoa.